Hi, it's Mr. Anderson, and we're going to be going over today beginning sounds. We have two sounds, l and w, which is w. So fl
Fla, fla,
and w.
wa, wa.
Okay? So I just wanted you to hear those sounds, and we're going to be going over the words, and then I'm going to pause, and I want you to see which one it might be. We're going to look at the instructions, though. Ready? Beginning sound. Number 1, say the name of each picture. Number 2, circle the letter or letters in each row that make the same beginning sounds. First one, these are workers. Workers.
Workers.
Which one is it? Or what? Yeah, what for workers.
Wa,
Awesome. Here's our next one. This is float. This item is floating.
float.
So is it fl or what? Yeah, it's fl.
Fla,
This is a picture of someone who has won or they are winning.
win.
So for win, is it fl or what? Yeah, what for
Wa.
win. This is flow. The river is flowing. The water is flowing in the river.
Flow.
So is it fl or what? Yeah, it's fl.
Fla,
Good. Last one. This is a picture of a windmill. Windmill.
windmill.
Does that have the fl or the what? Yeah, the what for windmill.
Wa.
Awesome work. We were working on beginning sounds. Remember fl and what. Keep practicing, and I'll see you later.